Let's create a horizon gradient watercolor background with masked lettering on top. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create beautiful watercolor cards with a clean white border and a lovely gradient effect. We'll start by preparing our materials and finish with a stunning final artwork. I'll list the materials in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your materials. Choose a thick, sturdy board to secure your watercolor card. This will keep your card flat and prevent it from warping when you apply the watercolor. Secure all 4 edges of the watercolor card with washi tape. This will create a clean white border around the card when removed. Make sure the tape is evenly placed for a uniform border width. Now prepare your clean and dry paintbrush. Step 2. Brush in your watercolor. Dip your brush in clean water and mix it with watercolor paint to get a nice smooth consistency. Begin painting from the bottom of the card to create a gradient effect. Start with a heavier application of paint at the bottom and gradually lighten the intensity as you move upwards. Step 3. Create the gradient effect. As you move the brush upwards, dip it in a little bit of water to blend the colors and create a seamless gradient. Step 4. Tilt your card to blend. Hold the paper upward and let gravity help the more concentrated paint flow downwards, creating the gradient effect. If the top part is too dark, clean your brush, dip it in water, and dab it on tissue paper. Then, brush downwards to lighten the top part. Step 5. Clean up the excess paint. Be careful not to use too much water, as this can cause the paint to seep under the masked lettering. If any paint gets on the masked lettering, use a cotton bud or a fine paintbrush with a little bit of water to clean it up. Dab the brush on tissue paper to absorb excess paint and continue until the lettering is clean. Step 6. Add finishing touches. Continue to tilt your card to move the paint until the bottom part is sufficiently darker. Allow the paint to dry completely. There you have it, a beautiful watercolor card with a light gradient background and a clean white border. This technique is perfect for creating elegant and beautiful cards for any occasion. Now, let's speed things up and show you some examples of this technique in action. Feel free to try out different color combinations like the ones you'll see in the next clips. Ready to bring the magic of these watercolor cards to life with your own hands? Check out the links in the description to grab a set of 16 beautifully lettered masked cards and start this fun project solo or with your art buddies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more inspiring tutorials. I can't wait to see what you create, so make sure to tag me at nicong.co on social media. I love featuring your amazing work. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.